This is Wesley Dotson with Central Kentucky Classic Cars, and today we have a 1971 Chevrolet Nova SS we're going to take a look at today. Really nice, clean car. They don't quite make them like this one. Does have a rebuilt title. The reason for that is that the gentleman that we got the car from took it down to the courthouse and said that he just got done rebuilding the car and they gave him a rebuilt title. There's nothing wrong with the car. It runs and drives fantastic. It is a really nice car. And we'll take a look at it here. First, we'll take a look at the passenger side of the interior. All looks good. All nice and clean. Back seats all in good shape. Headliner, same way. I'm gonna shut the trunk door here and we'll take a look inside the trunk. This is a Hurst equipped 1971 Nova. Spare tire. Trunk mat just really looks good. It's all nice and clean. Underneath the here is in good shape as well. Shut the trunk and hear it start up here. Real nice, clean, all good. Take a look at the driver's side door here. All looks good. 4-speed in the floor. Steering wheel. Shut the door. Take one more quick look at the interior, underneath the hood here. This car has power disc brakes on it. It's powered by a small block Chevy with aluminum heads. Really looks good. All nice and clean. Gonna shut the hood here and take one more quick look at it. 1971 Chevrolet Nova. All right, now we're gonna take it on a test drive. All right, we're gonna take this 1971 Chevrolet Nova. This car is 4-speed. Something neat about this car, it's still equipped with the factory reverse lockout, where you have to put it in reverse to get the key out of the ignition, which is pretty neat. Most of the time people took that off and this car's still equipped with it. All right, we're gonna take it for a test drive and see how it does. Gauges all work, all the lights in the dash work, all the lights in general work, the horn works. Like we've said before, the only thing on the car that doesn't work is the owner. So we're gonna have to straighten him out when we get back. But here we go on the test drive. is going to get on it a little bit and see what kind of power this Nova's got as we go around this turn and head back. All right, here we go. Has a lot of power. It's also just a great driver, something you can get in and drive to the show. It does very well, doesn't shake or rattle or anything like that. It does really good. It's just a nice car. All right, and we're almost back here. If you have any questions on this Nova, you can give us a call at 859-621-5572. That's 859-621-5572. Don't forget to like and subscribe on our page for more cool muscle cars just like this one. All right, and we are back, and we're going to show you what it looks like underneath. And if you have any questions, don't forget to call 859-621-5572. All right, here's the underneath.